Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I do laundry. I have a washer dryer that are next to each other, not on top. The dryer is a side load and the washer is a top load. We'll see that. And here I have a basket of dirty laundry. The first thing is, if you have this is a pretty average laundry basket. If you have something like this, it can be very, very difficult to get off the ground and onto your lap. You can either drag it all the way over to the washer dryer if you're doing the laundry and then load it from there. Or what I do is I take this is a yoga mat strap, but it's just pretty much an all-purpose strap. You could use a belt, anything that's kind of strong enough and long enough, and I rope it through the handles. That way it's a lot easier to lift up, because lifting it just from one handle is pretty hard. So over here is the laundry, and the doors are kind of weird, so I have to open this one first. And then, all right, so here's the washer, classic, good stuff, and here's the laundry. And what I do is I just get right up to it, put the brakes on, can help. And I don't like to dump it over, because if a sock falls in the cracks or one of the edges, it's pretty much impossible for me to reach it and get it. So I just toss it all in here. And depending on your style, ours has that thing sticking up in the middle, so you gotta push it around there. We might fill it up here. I don't know. Don't judge me on this stuff.
People are gonna yell at you for not separating your colors.
What colors? I don't even see any colors. I'm colorblind, so it doesn't count.
Don't lie.
You're right, I'm not colorblind. So there it is, pretty stuffed up. Good old washer soap. I don't know what to call it really. So fill it up, and you don't really want to use too much, because then the soap can't get washed out, and then that becomes an issue. So you really want to use an appropriate amount, never too much. And there we go. Wipe my finger off. And now we got this to figure out. I'm pretty sure I just keep it as is and start it, and then that's it, and we'll see you when it's dry. Welcome back. Like I said before, the clothes will be dry. Sadly they're not, but they're ready to be dried. What's this? Stuff in the dryer? Well, I'll show you how to take it out. So what I do is I take the basket and I put it on the ground right outside the dryer, and I'll get myself really close, that way I can reach all the way in. I just pull it out and set it in the basket. Make sure your little handle thing is outside so clothes don't get on top of it. Put the brakes on, of course. You see, I do colors and whites. Once it's out, pour it away, close the door, lift it up, whoops, and then I'm ready to take it and put it away. So for taking clothes out of the washer, if it's a top load, if it's a side load, it'll be easier. You can just reach in the back. Either way, if you have trouble reaching, you can use tongs, or I know they make little extended grabber things, but I don't have one of those. I don't have much need, so I just use tongs. Make sure they're clean. You know, you don't want hamburger grease or something on them. So what I'll do is I'll face the way that the clothes are going. So I'll face the dryer, and I'll be taking the clothes out of the washer and putting them into the dryer. The first few I can usually grab with my hand. So I'll get pretty close, as close as possible. Reach in and just pull it out. Just like that. And if I need to use the tongs, it'll usually be for one article of clothing because it's when it's towards the last few. Grab it, put it in my hand, toss it in. And that's it. That's how I do the laundry. Thanks for watching.